to those pictures of the Youth Congress protest that's happening in the national capital, but we'll get you the exact location where this protest seems to be happening as of now, because this is reportedly a clash that is now taking place between the police and the protesters there of the Youth Congress workers there as they are attempting to jump over the barricades. Now, we heard one of those protesters there, and he seems to be now demanding that the Union Minister MOS Home Ajay Mishra also stepped down from his post as a union minister, because right now his son Ashish Mishra, who is currently being questioned and being interrogated by the UP SIT, the same SIT where he was to appear before them yesterday, but it was a no-show on part of Ashish Mishra. Today he is currently being questioned by the SIT. Straight away going across to Ananya. Ananya, we're getting those protest visuals from Delhi right now. This is the Youth Congress workers protesting and demanding that the union minister steps down from his post.
Well, yes, the Congress is protesting in the national capital and is demanding the resignation of Union Minister MOS Home Ajay Mishra Teni. In fact, apart from that, meanwhile, the investigation is on. The interrogation is taking place from his son Ashish Mishra Teni, who's along with his advocate Akhilesh Singh inside the SIT office in Lakhimpur Kheri in the crime branch office. And remember, Amita, we have the list of questions that is being asked to them. He's being asked about the bullets that have been recovered. He's also being asked about the Thar, whether it was his car, whether he was present into that car, or in fact, he was also asked if one of his support, if he claims that he was not at the incident spot, then how did he get to know about the whole incident that happened on that day, and also about what action did he take after he got to know about this? Did he call the police and told them about the same, or what happened in the course of time? But now the clinching evidence is that we are getting to know that he's being quizzed. It is already hour and a half that he's being quizzed inside. All the SIT members are inside, and the questioning is taking place. But the future course of action would definitely depend on what legal recourse would he adopt. Because if he's arrested, then he'll definitely be produced before the court. According to the laws in Uttar Pradesh, he will first be sent to a judicial remand of 14 days, and then his police custody would be sought by the police in order to question him. But only if he is arrested. But we'll have to see, will the police actually arrest him at the end of it, or will he be left out after the questioning, and the questioning would continue on another date, and fresh summons would be issued against him. Back to you.
No, Ananya, but what's the point of holding a protest now when the investigation is already underway? The matter itself, suo motu cognizance, that has been taken by the Supreme Court as well. Though it had expressed dissatisfaction over the probe that is being conducted by the UP administration, but the matter is still being investigated. What's the point of holding a protest now?
Well, definitely, Amita, we have heard it from the officials also, and also a lot of people are say that the Congress and the other opposition parties are trying to play a to create a political background. The Lakhimpur Kheri is completely turned into a political background. You remember that Akhilesh Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi had visited the victims and also had lodged their protest while they on their visit to Lakhimpur Kheri. A lot of them were also detained also, and in fact Priyanka Gandhi was detained. Other leaders were either not allowed to enter or were stopped at a reasonable distance from the incident spot. But remember, in fact, the DM also was speaking to us exclusively a few days ago had told that the politicization of such events should not take place. When already the Supreme Court had taken a suo motu cognizance, it had wrapped up the UP government badly. In fact, senior advocate Harish Salve, who was appearing before the UP government, was told by the Supreme Court that the CBI inquiry cannot be ordered into the matter because you know the reasons why the people which are involved in this. And it was also that the UP government was wrapped up saying that the UP government and the UP police should now behave responsibly and should act as a responsible police in order to probe this whole incident. And in fact, Amita, if you remember, the Supreme Court posed a question to Harish Salve that why is Ashish Mishra Teni being treated, not being treated like a murder accused, like an accused who, because in murder cases you remember that the accused is arrested immediately, but the whole reason and the whole justification that was given by senior advocate Harish Salve was appearing before the Supreme Court was that since the bullet injuries were not recovered in the post-mortem report, that's the reason that we've only given him a notice and not arrested him. But the Supreme Court somehow expresses displeasure and asks the UP government to behave responsibly and the UP police to responsibly probe. In fact, it also asked and directed the UP police to appoint the senior most officials in order to preserve the evidence in this whole matter.
All right, so we are sticking with those live pictures there. Ananya, quickly describing them as the protesters are now being detained and being taken away in the police vans, and they will be now shifted to another place because these are the protest visuals as the protesters are attempting to even jump over the barricades there and clash with the police there. That has been reported. This is in the national capital. The live updates that we are getting and those pictures of the Youth Congress workers protest, and they are demanding that the union minister steps down from his post, even as his son is currently appearing before the SIT in Lakhimpur Kheri. It's been close to 2 hours now, Ananya, ever since this investigation began. We're told that there will be a series of questions that he will be asked on his whereabouts as to what had happened and where he was on the 3rd of October when the violence broke out. Ananya.
Yes, a lot of questions were asked. I'll definitely read it down for you, Amita. These questions were where were you present when the whole incident happened? Why did your supporters choose the route when the farmers were already protesting there? If you're saying that you weren't present at the spot, how did you get to know about the whole incident? In fact, he was also asked when you heard about the incident, what did you do, and did you call up the police after knowing what has happened inside Lakhimpur Kheri? Another question that was asked to him, which is a very important one, is that it's alleged that you mocked down the protesters. How true is this claim, and what claims do you have to deny this allegation? In fact, the UP police has also, given out a notice, a public notice saying that all the people who are having the videos and photos of this whole incident should share it with the UP police in order to make its probe easier. Because remember, Amita, this probe is not, since there are a lot of versions involved, the bigger role of the crime branch and the cyber crime comes into play. Forensics are involved because call detail records, videos and photos have to be analyzed in order to prove the location and the presence of people on the spot and to actually know what happened on that day when the 8 people lost their lives. In fact,
right.
Ashish Mishra Teni was first summoned.
We'll continue to report on that, Ananya, but these pictures live from the national capital, Congress youth workers protesting there, demanding the resignation of the Union Minister MOS Home, Ajay Mishra, in the case of the violence that is now he's being linked to Lakhimpur violence case reported last week.
Well, these are the pictures coming in from the national capital right outside the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah, where the youth Congress workers are protesting. In fact, they are raising slogans against the government for not taking action against Ajay Mishra Teni. Remember that the Congress party has been attacking the central government for not taking action as far as this entire case is concerned, and that is why today youth Congress workers have out the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah, and they are protesting right now and raising slogans and demanding that actions must be taken. Remember that this entire issue has been given a political color by not only Congress party but to different political parties. Though BJP continues to maintain that strict actions will be taken and no perpetrator would be spared. And this is coming on the day when Ashish Mishra Teni, son of Ajay Mishra, has also joined the investigation. But today the youth Congress workers are protesting and demanding strict actions to be taken and also the resignation of Ajay Mishra Teni. On the other side, there is also a press conference which is being done by a group of farmers in Delhi, where they continue to mount the pressure on the central government for the resignation of Ajay Mishra Teni. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of actions the government will take. But today the protest is taking place right there in front of Amit Shah's residence, where scores of Congress workers, youth Congress workers have gathered and raising slogans against the central government.
Piyush, thanks very much for the update. So the protest by the youth Congress workers that's happening in the national capital for now, those protesters who had now been detained, been taken away in a police van, and the protest site is now being cleared by the police.